Lagos. It's another beautiful day in the city of aquatic splendor. And of course, you can hear from my voice that I'm so excited because it's time for that show. Yes, I'm talking about the show from the brand that puts you at the center of it all. Yes, which show am I talking about and what brand am I talking about? I'm talking about NIPCO PLC. Yes, and it's time for NIPCO Half Hour right here on Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. So do me one favor, get set for an amazing time on radio. There's so much on the lineup for you. Of course, at the center of it all, we'll keep giving you traffic updates to help with your commute. I just need you to do me one favor, and that is, don't touch that dial, and I promise it will be worth your while. All right, so straight away we start off with the news segment. Let's just go for the news, and when we come back, we'll move on with the rest of the show. One more time, welcome to NIPCO Half Hour right here on Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. And my name is Akan Usen. Stay close. Hello and good morning. Here is the NIPCO news segment. NIPCO PLC launches lucrative LPG investment opportunity for entrepreneurs and corporate players. NIPCO PLC, one of Nigeria's leading integrated downstream sector operators, is opening doors to a golden opportunity for investors, entrepreneurs, and corporate entities to dive into the fast-growing liquefied petroleum gas LPG market. The partnership program aims to boost LPG adoption nationwide while offering attractive returns to partners who bring land, capital, or market reach capabilities. Here's why partnering with NIPCO is a win. Brand power, decades of excellence, safety awards, and an unmatched network of terminals and outlets. End-to-end support. Access to NIPCO's top-notch LPG terminal, storage, and a guaranteed offtake deal. Market-ready channels. Sell LPG under NIPCO's trusted brand or yours. Risk-shared structures lower upfront costs. 3 simple ways to join. 1. Own your plant. Build an LPG skid plant with NIPCO's tech help and a 10-year offtake guarantee. 2. Lease to build. NIPCO funds and operates. You get fixed rent plus margin per kg sold. 3. Variable lease. Base rent plus sales-linked margin. You grow together. This opportunity is open to entrepreneurs with land/gas assets or marketers buying bulk LPG from NIPCO. Benefits: predictable revenue, scalable growth, cleaner energy, you're reducing deforestation, and you're boosting health. This is a golden chance to fuel Nigeria's LPG revolution. If you're interested, reach out to NIPCO PLC. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye for now. All right, welcome back on the show. Yes, it's NIPCO Half Hour right here on Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. Akan Usen is my name. And today, the focus will be on AGO. What is AGO? You've heard that word. I'm so sure you've seen it somewhere, and you're wondering, what does this really mean? Is it what I think it is? And yes, today we will be shining the spotlight on that and every other thing around NIPCO PLC. In the studio with us, we have 2 very special guests. Yes, first of all, I will be introducing Mr. Mathew Asemota. I don't know if it's chief or a Mr. or a pastor. He will definitely be letting us know he is a senior manager, industrial AGO sales. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, do me one favor. Come closer to the microphone. I'm sure the Goshians are really interested in what you have to say. And yes, he's not alone. We have Mrs. Ganiyat Ogunbunmi. She is LPG Sales and Marketing Officer. You're welcome.
Thank you. Good morning.
Great to have you with us. Yes. So, how's traffic coming in for both of you? How was traffic, Mr. Asemota?
It was easy coming here.
Quite easy.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. And Mrs. Ogunbunmi?
It's quite easy.
Quite easy.
Yeah.
Okay. So when I say Mrs., because I heard someone calling you Alaja out there.
Please address me as Mrs. Ogunbunmi.
It's fine. So you're both very welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so great to have you with us. Okay, so straight away, it's all about AGO. Of course, at some point in time, we will segue into talking about how people who want to be a part of this interesting and wonderful and I would say lucrative move can be a part of it. But first of all, let's just talk AGO, all things AGO. Mr. Asemota, when we hear AGO, what exactly is AGO all about? What is AGO?
AGO is actually an acronym. Once again, good morning.
Yes.
AGO is an acronym for automotive gas oil.
Automotive. So you're taking us to the classroom. I have to pick up my pen. Automotive gas oil. Okay.
Yeah. So it's popularly known as diesel.
Oh, that's the diesel. That's diesel. So you out there listening to us, when you hear AGO, it's actually diesel. That's diesel. Okay, please go on.
So there are machines that uses diesel, just like we have machines that use PMS, that is petrol.
Yes.
So there are plant machinery that uses AGO, and because of the efficient
heavy machineries,
even some vehicles drive on AGO
like
too.
Trailers,
big trucks, they drive on AGO. Even some small buses have diesel engines, and so because of its cost effectiveness and maintenance and some other benefits they get from that. So NIPCO is positioned to supply you AGO nationwide.
Wow.
Wherever you are in the country, you can buy from us directly. We can also supply to you wherever you are, and so we are positioned to meet your AGO needs.
Interesting. So let's do a quick overview of tell us what you do at NIPCO as the senior manager industrial AGO sales. Let's just do an overview of that.
Yeah, as a senior manager AGO sales,
yes,
I manage direct sales and credit control. What we do is, when you come to NIPCO PSC and you want to do business with us, we'll first of all get your profile and we'll have you registered with us on our database as one of our customers.
So first of all, you get on the profile, you get registered.
Yeah, we need to know you. Yeah, that is our KYC. We need to know you. And we also need to introduce ourselves to you because the business is well regulated. And so when you come, we have you properly profiled, not a detailed thing, but it's clear to just know the legitimacy of your business and everything, your KYC.
So you already have to be a registered business.
You have to be a registered business. So to come to us, you have to be a registered business. Either you are a direct user of AGO in large volume, or you are a marketer, or you are a distributor of AGO.
Prior to coming
to us, yes. Or maybe you want to even start afresh. You have your money, you want to do this business. We can also guide you on how to go about it.
Right. Yeah. Okay, that's amazing. So, talking about having customers and all that, does NIPCO have the wherewithal, storage, and all that? How do you go about this?
Yes, we are one of the largest in the industry.
Amazing.
Yes, we have storage facilities spread nationwide. We have in Lagos, we have in Port Harcourt, we have in Ogara Delta State, we also have in Suleja to meet people in the northern region of Nigeria.
So that's a very even geographical spread, I must say.
And we also have filling stations spread. We have close to 500 filling stations nationwide.
So solely for AGO or
for all products. All petroleum products.
PMS, AGO, LPG.
We have filling stations that can meet your needs. So if you partner with NIPCO PSC, for instance, we can. Let's say, for instance, you are bringing your trucks to buy product from us. You have fleets, and you want them to collect at different stations. We can have that arrangement. Whenever your truck drive into NIPCO filling station, they just take and they invoice them. That's all.
Okay. How about I know we have companies where they do direct supply, where it's not like they go to it's direct from say NIPCO or any other supplier. How does that work? Do you also provide that service?
Yes. That's majorly what we do also.
Direct supply.
We do direct supply. For companies that have that consume AGO, at least you have a storage facility where you
in your facility.
We can actually supply you AGO.
Okay,
let me use diesel now, so that everybody can relate closely. We can actually
popularly known as diesel.
Yes, we can actually supply you diesel.
Yes.
And the minimum we supply to your site is 10,000 liters.
Okay, so that's the minimum.
That's the minimum we supply to your site. Within Lagos, outside Lagos, anywhere in the country, we can always meet your demand.
Okay.
So, but what you do is just first of all, you must be a registered company.
So first, be a registered company.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you contact NIPCO PSC.
Okay, then you contact NIPCO PSC. Okay.
Then you must be either a consumer of AGO in bulk volumes, or you are a distributor. That is maybe a marketer.
So you must be a consumer in bulk.
In bulk.
Okay.
Yes, for instance, if you consume like 1,000 liters, 2,000 liters, we will refer you to our our filling stations.
Filling stations, okay.
But if you want us to supply you, you have to have at least a minimum a certain level of.
Okay. So that's the criteria.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's of course that's like the criteria for those. How about partnering? For those who want to partner with NIPCO PLC, who wants to come on board, this is the criteria. What you should do.
Let me just give you the bullet points on partnering with NIPCO. Number one, you have to have a registered company.
Registered company. Of course, spoke about that, yes.
Yes. Number two, you have to be a consumer of AGO, or a distributor, a seller, a marketer of AGO. In bulk.
Okay.
Then number three, you have to contact us.
Okay.
When you contact us, we have to have a relationship. We talk better and we explain better some other things that may be required in the course of doing business with you. Then you also let us know whether you are bringing in your trucks to take the product, or we are going to supply you. Okay,
so that's another service.
There's another service we offer. Yes.
Okay, so it's not like you have to use your own trucks. I can come with my truck.
You can come with your trucks. Yes. If you have your trucks and you want to bring them in, we'll give you the product, you load and you go. But if you want us to bring it to your site, we can do that for you wherever your site is nationwide.
Of course, that's at an agreed cost.
Yes. But very discounted price.
Okay. So of course, whoever is going to partner, and then get these products from you, they need to know, what stands NIPCO out. Why NIPCO? Why getting AGO from NIPCO? Why partnering with NIPCO? So what stands NIPCO out?
Number one is quality products.
Quality products. Okay.
Yes, all our product meets the NIPCO specification.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you are sure of having quality product that will not spoil your machines. We don't sell adulterated products.
Okay.
That's one. Number two, you have product availability every time. You are not going to pay.
There's no
scarcity. You're not going to pay and have your money locked somewhere and say wait for product to come. No. When you pay, you are sure of getting your product. Number three, delivery time. If you pay today, let's say this early morning, I can guarantee you get your product tomorrow morning.
Wow.
Yes.
That prompt.
Yes, we are that prompt. Within Lagos, Ibadan, all those closer as it, but if it's a further distance like Kano, Kaduna, we may take like 2 more days.
Okay.
Because of the distance.
Of course, and that's understandable because of the terrain and the transportation and all that.
You are sure of good customer friendliness also.
Okay.
Our drivers are also trained to be professional, to know that they are not going to tamper with your product or any of those things. And our product is also insured until the product gets into your tank.
These are key points. These are very key.
Yeah.
Yes.
The product is insured until it gets into your facility. We still see it as our own product, and so you are well protected.
Okay, let's talk success stories. A few people who have worked with you, a few of your customers, how's the feedback been?
Yeah, the feedback is good.
Okay.
Yeah, because we always deliver on our promises. We under promise and over deliver. So for us,
under promise and you over deliver.
Yes.
Okay. How about pricing? In the market, your AGO, a competitor's AGO, what's the comparative advantage?
We have the best price.
Can I take your word on that?
Yes, we have the best price.
Okay.
Our prices are very competitive. We have the best price in the market.
The best price in the market. So for those who want more information or you just want to reach out and take this conversation further, what's the number we can reach out to?
Oh, yeah, you can call me directly on 0807
0807
203
8103. We'll take that again a bit slower. 080 720 yes 8103. That's 080 720 38103. All right, so we've been talking AGO. Let's do a quick let's just take the traffic update. Let's see what's happening. Okay, this is just reiterating that that incident report from the Ojudibaja axis that talking about Kara Bridge in Watmowe. Some of the articulated vehicles involved in that multiple accident have been towed off the road, but the arrival of a crane to aid the recovery of the truck, that the head fell into the river. 2 lanes have been opened on Kara Bridge for motorists coming from Baja inwards Opik, and we have traffic managers, stationed there doing their bits to just manage things and make sure things move as smoothly as possible. All the while, on NIPCO Half Hour, Mr. Asemota has been doing a lot of the talking. So, of course, you have done an amazing job, of shining the light on your offering as regards AGO, which we now know to be diesel. It's a call out there to everyone, of course, in this sector. Do come and do business with NIPCO PLC as regards this. Now, let's talk a bit about LPG. Of course, LPG was our focus last week on the show. Mrs. Ganiyat Ogunbunmi, who of course is the LPG Sales and Marketing Officer, that's our forte. Let's talk a bit about this. Mrs. Ogunbunmi, let's talk about NIPCO. For those who want to come in, bulk sales, let's talk a bit about that.
Okay. For LPG, we sell in tons.
In tons,
yes.
Okay.
So we sell in tons mainly to plant owners, registered
plant owners,
registered and licensed.
So those people with shops that sell with
those are retails.
Yes, you direct them to the plant owners.
So we sell mainly to registered and licensed plant owners, manufacturing companies, hotels and restaurants that are licensed with approved storage facility. Yeah, whether for NIPCO box sales, we also have some other benefits, such as value for your money. For quality assurance product, as in line with NMDPRA standard of operation for all LPG terminals. We also have our dedicated truck packs. When you come with your trucks, we have truck packs for your trucks, and we have a fleet of transportation. We have
so you offer transportation too?
Yes, we offer transportation.
Okay.
So anywhere in the nation we can supply, as far as the north.
Same as AGO.
We go anywhere. So we can supply up from 2.5 metric ton and above.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so what are the requirements to be a bulk customer?
Yes, to be a bulk customer, you must also register your business. You must have registered.
So first of all, you need to have a registered business.
Yes. Okay. So for LPG, you must also have a valid license. Operating license for plants. While for the manufacturers and hotel, they must also have a license to operate. And store in their facility as well. Right. So the most important thing for you to be a bulk buyer, you must have a valid license. Okay.
So first of all, license, and then you must be you must register. So first of all, registered.
Yes,
and have that be licensed.
Then the valid license.
Okay.
By NMDPRA.
And like for the AGO, you have to show proof that you sell in bulk. Do you need that?
For LPG.
Okay, your license already says that. Yes, so your license already. Yes.
Yeah, so you're already licensed. So when you come, you can decide. We now discuss on the volumes you intend to get from us, and more so, it depends on the volume. We also offer some discounts. Depending on the volume the customers are requesting to get from us.
So ease of lifting products and all that, coming and going. How does that work? Are there hitches? How does that work for you?
Customers just
because sometimes you get reports of we're at the we've been here for 2 days, we're trying to get products. I hear that.
I understand that part. Coming with trucks.
Yes.
like I said, we have dedicated trucks parked.
Oh, so it's not going to be a problem.
No problem. We have so it depends on how you are able to access the entrance to the park.
Yes.
So we have 2 entrance gates in the terminal, so easy access for loading. Meanwhile, for LPG, we always use weighbridge.
Okay.
Unlike the AGO, there's no weighbridge. For LPG, we have for NIPCO, we have a 2 weighbridge.
Okay.
For the entrance and the exit.
Okay.
So when an empty truck comes, we climb the bridge to the gantry. Then after loading, we take the out bridge to reduce congestion. But for delay, usually from our side, we don't always get that delay. There's no way you can load in a day. We load up to 50, 70 trucks.
Wow.
So if you have more than that trucks, we still have to continue very early by 7 a.m. the next day, and if need be, we still extend the loading for 24 hours sometimes.
Wow, amazing. So for those who might also require like delivery services, you say you have a fleet of
we have fleet of trucks from 10 metric ton, which you can load up to 5 tons, 10 ton. We have 20 metric tons, 25 metric ton, depending on the quantity the customer requested, that we can deliver all over the nation.
All over the nation.
All over.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about when you go to the market to buy something, you can still negotiate. You can say, do you have that, Mr. Asemota, Mrs. Ogunbunmi?
Like what I said,
can we negotiate?
Yeah, you can, depending on the volume.
Okay.
And depending on the landing cost of the product at the time.
Okay.
You can negotiate because your volume will give you the benefit.
So your volume determines
the benefit. Yes, definitely you get discount with NIPCO PSC.
All right.
You're very much discounted as a bulk buyer, but your volume. If you're taking like 2 million liters, 10 million liters, 500,000 days, you get a lot of leverage and benefit from us. See, talk about ease of accessing NIPCO depot.
Yes,
it's one of the finest in the country.
Amazing.
Yeah, because we are situated at Dockyard Road, very close to the naval base, so the traffic congestion that as this is well cleared.
It's manageable
because we have the NASMA officials, we have the road safeties, we have the Navy officers, all controlling traffic for ease passage of trucks to our terminal. And once you enter the truck park, you're good to go.
You're good to go. All right, it's been an amazing discussion. Of course, for those who have been following the show from week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, for every week we do give away. Yes, we have come to that time. But just before we segue to that, Mrs. Ogunbunmi, for those who want to connect with LPG, the entire operation, to know how to become a partner, what numbers can we call?
You can actually reach me on my direct number.
Okay, and that is?
My email address.
All right.
Ganiyat at NIPCO PLC or LPG Sales at NIPCO PLC.
Okay.
And you can reach me on 080.
Okay, 080.
34634
892.
Yeah.
All right, and we can take up the discussion from there.
Yeah.
And of course for AGO 0807-2038-103. All right, let's hear from last week's winner, and then we'll take it from there. Stay close.
Good day, everyone. My name is Olarewaju Kazim. I happen to be the winner on the NIPCO Hour last week, Thursday, and today I'm so excited. I've been able to redeem my gift from NIPCO, a 6 kg cylinder gas. I'm so excited, and I'm thanking Mr. Akan and the traffic radio management. I pray that you continue to move from strength to strength, and to NIPCO, the management staff, from top to bottom, I pray that you continue to move from glory to glory in Jesus' name. And I pray that you continue to multiply and increase in every area. NIPCO gas, forward ever, backward never. I'm so excited. I appreciate. God bless you. Thank you.
He will give you a motto: forward never, backward never. All right, so straight away to our question for today. What are the first three things you need to do to partner with NIPCO? What are the first three things you need to do to partner with NIPCO? 080-991-20777. 080-991-20777. All right. Hello. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Onome Okotie.
Onome Okotie. And okay, where are you calling from?
From Igondo, Lagos.
Igondo, Lagos. Okay. You want to answer my question?
Yes. And you must.
Okay, Onome, do call back. Onome, do call back so we can get that. 080-991-20777. Okay, let's try to get this. Let's try to get this. Okay. Hello, good morning. Okay. Hello, good morning. Okay, let's just try to 080-991-20777. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
I'm calling back.
Okay. Onome, is that you?
Yes.
Okay, please go on.
You must be a registered company.
Registered company, okay.
You must be a consumer.
Okay.
And you must have a valid license.
Okay, valid license. Okay, you have to be registered, you must be a consumer, and you must have a valid license. Okay, thank you very much. I'll let you know if you are the winner. Thank you so much. Well done. All right, 080-991-20777. I'm still taking answers. Yes, Onome just told us her answer. 080-991-20777. Let's take this one. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes,
my
name is Olalekon. Where is Olalekon calling us from?
From Oshodi.
From Oshodi. How's Oshodi this morning?
Oshodi is very fine.
Okay, so do you have my answer?
Yeah, so first you must be registered.
Registered, okay. Hello?
Or a distributor.
Well, could you take that again? Oh dear. To call back 080-991-20777. And yes, I have 2 minutes to the end of the show. 080-991-20777. I'll let you know if you're my winner. Okay? Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, who am I on to?
Good morning.
Yes.
Okay, my name is Treasure.
Treasure. Where's Treasure calling us from?
Calling from
Ikeja, okay. Treasure, please go on. What do we need first?
Okay, first of all, you need to be registered. Your company needs to be registered.
Registered. Okay. 2.
Yes, and have the license. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
3.
And then also you have to contact NIPCO. Must be a consumer or a marketer, a bulk consumer or marketer.
Bulk consumer. That's what I was looking for, Mr. Asemota. Consumer in bulk. I think I have my winner. Yeah. Do I have your response? Do I have your confirmation?
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Treasure. You are the winner of today's quiz. Congratulations. All right, we'll reach out to you at the end of the show much later on. All right?
All right.
Okay. And that's where we should draw the curtains. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Mr. Asemota. Yes, Senior Manager Industrial AGO in Sales NIPCO PLC, and Mrs. Ganiyat Ogunbunmi, LPG Sales and Marketing Officer. Thank you so much for coming around. And that's where we'll draw the curtains. Dear listener, thank you so much for being a part of today's show. Let's make it a date, same time next week. My name is Akan Usen, wishing you all the very, very best. Bye for now.